Hey all, welcome to hashtag straight poop. You're joining us in the set and you have a dining room table in the kitchen. What more do you want? Except for the fact that if you're waiting on me, you're loafing. So join us in the kitchen. Join us. Hey, welcome back to hashtag straight poop. Yeah, I got some salmon patties to make. And this is something I grew up in as a kid. You know, I'd go to wrestling practice and it would be winter time. I'd have to walk home in a blizzard. There were no buses to pick us up. And we'd come home and there'd be Kluski noodles and salmon patties. So I got this. I got some mustard. Get a nice squirt. Stone ground. And I also have some matzo meal. All right, and I like using my hands. Getting it all in there. So there was black pepper, there was keef, there was herbs de Provence, there was a pinch of salt, okay? Now, to bind it all up, I'm using matzo meal. You could use saltines if you want. Usually, about yay amount. Okay. And like I said, that egg will help bind this. Now, what is that? Matzo meal is incorporated. I'm going to squeeze some lemon. And I love this squeezer. Okay. Fully seasoned. I put the lemon in at the very end. Okay. I am going to make some patties. And I'm gonna basically make them like if I was to form a hamburger, okay? And the key here is that you make your patties and it's not gonna go directly into the frying pan now. It's gonna go into the fridge and they're gonna firm up, okay? Because if I do it now, the breadcrumbs or the matzo meal didn't have enough time to firm up, okay? And it's just gonna be salmon sloppy Joe. And we don't want that, okay? So I'm just lightly patting them. And when they come out of the fridge, we're gonna put them, we're gonna basically dust them in flour. Okay, so we have 1 pound can of sockeye salmon. I took as much of the black or gray skin out of there that I can, and I also took the liquid out. So this is what we have. We have salmon patties. And like I think I did one on concletin, a big hamburger. Yeah, so you form them the same way. And then you lightly brown them in cannabis oil. So it's all good, man. You got keef in here, you got cannabis oil. It's fried in cannabis oil. So best of all worlds. So this is going in the fridge. And we'll be frying in a second. Hey guys, welcome back to hashtag straight poop. Got some cannabis oil here, and it should be pretty hot. I've got my salmon patties. They've been in the fridge to basically firm up. I've got regular Italian salad breadcrumbs here, and I got them on this side too. And let me lower that fire. Here we go. That's a nice sizzle. That's what we want. Okay. Get that all caked up. Exactly what we want. You don't want these guys at too high of a temperature. You definitely don't want that. Tired of using my hands. You want the crumbs to burn. Okay. And the last one. Oh yeah. Look at these things. Okay. Yeah. Dust that off. Making a mess as always. Put that up there. Okay. Yeah. All right. I am going to higher the heat just a little bit. And I am going to rinse my hands of this gack because I hate, but to be quite honest, my endocrinologist gave me a box of, what do you call it? Sanitary gloves. They were large, and she says none of the nurses have large hands. I'm like, okay. So I used them. This here is episode 32 in our series. And I've got 53 of Culinary Adventures that are going to be airing. And I air them every other day. I'm not batch loading or anything. This is very sustainable. And that's what we're doing. And this is number 32 of the hashtag Straight Poop series, which after we do a bunch of cooking videos with weed, and most of them are barbecue, but can't do it outside all the time, you know what I mean? But want you guys to have the content because it's educational. And you use whatever you can on it, and you know, whatever you can use. And look how nice they're browning up on the sides. And I don't like them all, I don't like them incinerated, okay? I kind of like them moist in the middle, okay? And you can incinerate these pretty damn quickly. But yeah. All right, man. We're gonna do some time-lapse photography, and I'll let Jim do his magic of TV with the time-lapse. Hey, welcome back, and since we have time-lapse photography, I got 3 on the platter. Now I got this beauty here, and kind of double stacked it. Let me get it here for you. There you go. Let me get my Let me get my squeezer, because I think this deserves a little bit of lemon. A little bit. Okay. Beautiful. So there you got it, salmon patties, man, a family favorite. Simple too. Can of salmon. I got 4 out of this. If you got 2 people, you'll get 2 servings. So, got a family of 4, cool. Do the math, it's easy. Make sure you pick up your free e-cookbook. It's got 125 barbecue cannabis recipes. And if it ain't barbecue, it's still studded with weed. You've seen the graphics. Go to the comment section and at the top, click the link. Okay, it'll be in your email box. Toot sweet. Okay, so we will see you next time on #StraightPoop. Have a good one. See you later, poopers. I'm a pooper too. We'll see ya.